welcome back to Vintage Shots. Today, we invite you to step into a world where glamour meets the open road. Marilyn Monroe remains, without question, one of the most photographed figures of the 20th century. Her image was captured in countless frames, but a specific collection has always held a special fascination. Marilyn posing with the powerful and sleek automobiles of her era. In the heart of the mid-20th century, a car was never just a machine. It was a soaring symbol of freedom, a promise of adventure, and the very definition of the aspirational American dream. When you placed a star as radiant as Marilyn next to a gleaming chrome bumper or a roaring engine, it created a visual synergy like no other. The car wasn't just a prop, it became her co-star, perfectly reflecting her elegance and the vibrant culture of the time. These legendary photographs emerged from various worlds. Many were carefully staged publicity shots crafted by major film studios to enhance her star power. Others were high-fashion editorials for iconic magazines like Life, Look, and Photoplay. Whether she was sitting in a controlled studio or bathed in the natural California sun, Marilyn knew exactly how to command the frame, making the cold steel of a car look as soft and inviting as silk. But perhaps the most charming images are the candid ones. Seeing Marilyn simply stepping out of her own car or caught in a private moment between movie takes gives us a rare, authentic glimpse into her life. It's here, in these unscripted frames, that we truly see the woman behind the myth, elegant, effortless, and eternally captivating. These images are more than just history. They are a tribute to a time of pure class. If you love these timeless stories, please like this video and share it with fellow history lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to Vintage Shots for more. Thank you for watching.